Assalamu alaikum, this is Dr. Sheher Bano, and that's an invitation for our premium event on the surgical and the non-surgical treatments in a conference that you cannot afford to miss, that is AASP, and it's going to be held in Lahore on 18th, 19th and 20th October. My message to all of you is, whether you are a very seasoned professional or you're just starting your journey, this program that we put a lot of effort and hard work in is designed to fulfill all the needs of the aesthetics in your clinical practice and to keep you forefront in the aesthetic industry. So please follow my page to book your slots, and because we are looking forward for a very limited number of the class for the hands-on and for the master classes. So do not miss the opportunity. Start doing registrations on time so you can avail the activity. And thank you very much. I'm looking forward to welcome you all with the great members of the AASP and international faculty, and see you there.